Hello, welcome to ATV Oil Guide. Today we're going to be changing the oil on this John Deere LA165 lawn tractor. We're also going to be getting it ready for the season. We're going to change the spark plug, we're going to change the air filter, oil filter. We're going to get it ready for the cutting season. So I already started the John Deere lawn tractor, let it run for a while, get that oil hot. Now it's been sitting for a while. We're going to take our dipstick out here, lay it here on top. And right here is where you drain the oil on your lawn tractor. So all you have to do, like on the LA165, it's a cap here. You just turn it and you pull on it. It'll come right off and the oil will come out. There we go. Look at that black used oil coming out of that engine. Well, we'll let this drain and then we'll add some AMSOIL 100% synthetic motor oil to the lawnmower. I know it's going to enjoy that nice fresh AMSOIL oil in there. For the spring service on the John Deere LA165, I ordered this kit. Look at this, I ordered it from Amazon. It comes with an air filter, a fuel pump, comes with an oil filter, 2 spark plugs, all in one package. This was $25 Canadian. It's so simple. You just go on Amazon and order the whole kit for that price. In the US it'll be cheaper. I'll leave links below in the description of the video where you can get this kit to service your lawnmower. So right now we'll remove the oil filter and we'll get it ready to install on the LA165. There's our oil filter. Look at, they even put a plastic across here so doesn't get any nicks in the seal like the gasket here or any contamination. Alright, over here we got to take the oil filter off. The old oil filter. So it's going to be a little bit messy. I got a pan here and I have a rag and it's getting messy already. So we'll pull that out of there and we'll catch the oil with the rag and we'll just let that drain out on its own for a couple of minutes. And then we'll add our new oil filter to here and then we'll start adding new fresh AMSOIL 100% synthetic small engine oil to the engine. Wipe around where the gasket on the oil filter is going to go. Pull the rag out. Make sure it's clean. There we go. We'll put our... Oh, I put a bit of oil on the rubber gasket so it doesn't dry out. And I didn't put any oil in the filter because the oil filter goes on sideways, and as soon as we do this to screw it on, it will be leaking oil all over the place. It's really pointless. So we'll just snug that up. There we go. Now we can add oil to the engine. Okay, all the dirty oil has drained out of the John Deere lawn tractor. I put the cap back on here for the oil drain. And now we're going to be adding some fresh AMSOIL 100% synthetic small engine oil to our lawnmower. I only use AMSOIL. It's premium oil. I care about my equipment around here and my side-by-side, my ATV, my truck and car. So that's why we only use AMSOIL. Look at that nice fresh golden oil going in there. The engine is going to love it this year. So we'll let that drain a bit. Okay, we're adding our 2nd liter of oil. We're not going to put the whole thing in. We know that the LA165 takes 2 quarts, but I don't want to put it all in because I want to check it. You know what? It's reading dead on, but we're going to put the whole ball in because we know when we start the motor that the oil is going to circulate and also go through that filter, and we'll be just right on probably, but we'll check it again. So we'll put our dipstick back in and we're going to start the engine up, let it circulate, let that oil circulate through the filter and the engine, and then we'll check it one last time. Okay, we ran it for about 1.5 minutes. The oil is well circulated now. So we'll let it settle for a second, then we'll give it one last check. In the meantime, we'll change our air filter while the oil is settling in the engine. So we just come in here and undo these 2 screws for the air filter cover. Just pull it off, put it on top. We have our air filter. Just pull it out. You can see it's dirty. I'll check under the sleeve. Yeah, it's due for a change. So I'm going to put a whole new air filter on. Just make sure everything's clean in here. And then we'll, just like that, we got our new air filter from that kit I got on Amazon. I'll leave links below where you can get yours. Snap it in place, good to go. Put our cover back on. We'll check our oil level now. And my full line is right here, and the oil level is just under it. So we are good. We're just going to leave it at that. It's perfect. So our oil filter has changed. We have fresh AMSOILs, 100% synthetic small engine oil in there. We changed our air filter. Now we're going to change our spark plugs. Okay, it takes a 5/8 spark plug socket. Turn left to loosen. And we'll back this one out, and then we'll back out the other spark plug, put our new spark plugs in. So interesting thing, the length between here and here is the same, and that's the most important thing. This has to be the same length. If this spark plug was longer, your piston may crash into this. You don't want that to happen. But the interesting thing is it takes a different size socket. This is a bigger nut here. It's not really a nut, but it's a different size than this one. So that's kind of threw me off. But it's okay to use because from here to here is the same, and that's what matters. It's good to double check these things, and you just need a different socket as well. Okay, we got our new spark plug in. You don't have to crank them on, just snug them up lightly. Okay, now I'll do the other side as well. Okay, now we have our old fuel filter. We're going to swap out with the new fuel filter. So I'm just going to grab that clamp and move this clamp down the hose. So we have them both moved back. This one might have to go back a little bit further. Hopefully these hoses come off fairly good. Okay, I got a catch pan I'm going to put down here on the floor. Catch any fuel that may come out. That's off. And we'll just drip this down into here. Drain the filter. I don't know if you can see that. And then we just have to remove this one. Just remove that quickly. Drop our fuel filter down there. And it goes only one way. You want the fuel to come into the cone side of the filter. You can see how this is flat, this kind of cone looking. You want the fuel to come in that way. And we'll put this clamp over there to hold it in place. There we go. Then we'll put this one here in place. Put our clamp over there, and our new fuel filter is installed. There we go. Put our fuel line back into place here in the clip. There we go. Okay, we'll fire the lawn tractor up. I should say that during the winter, I take my battery out of this riding lawnmower and I put it in my basement, and I keep a charge on it. Not all the time. I mean, I'll charge it up for a day, and maybe another month or two later I'll go charge it up again, just so I keep the battery strong for when I need it in the spring. So let's test it out, see what's going on, see if everything's good. Sounds good, started up really well. So now I'm just going to check the air pressure in these tires, and it should be good. So if you're interested in checking out the AMSOIL 100% synthetic small engine oil. You can go down below in the description. I'll even put a banner along here. You can go to ATVOIL.ca and get your AMSOIL products. Like I said, I'll also leave some links down below. And if you have a lot of equipment like I do, like I have this riding lawnmower, I have another one. We have 8.5 acres here. I have a new zero-turn lawnmower that I just bought. I have side-by-side ATV, truck, car. I have my trimmers, chainsaws. If you have a lot of equipment around your place like I do, you may want to check out the preferred customer program that AMSOIL offers. You can save up to 25%. It's mostly 25% off of everything that they have as a product lineup. And there's some other perks with that. Like if you spend $100 US, you get free shipping. It's $130 Canadian for free shipping. But they also have, if you spend $100, they'll give you $5 back. They'll give you $5 on your birthday. And there's some other perks as well too. You'll have to check it out. It's called the Preferred Customer Program. And I think it's $30 a month if you're in Canada. And it might be $25 if you're in the US or $20 if you're in the US to be a preferred customer. But like I said, you get up to 25% off your product, all your product. So it pays for itself. Plus you get all the other perks with being a preferred customer. To have a lot of equipment and vehicles, it's the way to go. And you can't go wrong with AMSOIL. It's premium motor oil and products for your vehicles. You can even buy gear oil for your side-by-side ATV, cars, heavy equipment, whatever you need. You know what? I was looking for AMSOIL motor oil for my side-by-side ATV. And as I learned more and more about the AMSOIL products, I realized what a premium product it is. I thought, why not become an AMSOIL dealer? Because I have YouTube channels with just on side-by-side and ATVs as well. And I can share the AMSOIL product with other people that watch those videos. I believe in taking care of my equipment, and I believe in having the best for my equipment. I take pride in what I have. If I had my old car right now, there'd be AMSOIL going in that car. Anyways, enough rambling. Go ahead, check out the products links that I have below, and also check out that preferred customer program. You'll be glad you did. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.